Fruitcake batter is scooped into a cake pop pan. It's then baked and the fruitcake balls are cooled and then drizzled with white chocolate and marzipan, holly leaves and berry decorations. Happy holidays from Cravings Food Adventures. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahmed. Today we're going to be making fruitcake, but not a regular fruitcake. We're going to be making fruitcake bombs or pops. I'm basically going to be taking the fruitcake recipe I uploaded on my channel a couple of years ago, and I've updated this recipe to suit the more compact form that I'm going to be presenting today. We're going to be making these into little round bombs or balls, and we're going to be decorating it with marzipan. It's going to be super delicious. There's no alcohol in this fruitcake, so it's really wonderful that you can share this with your family and friends and kids that come over for Christmas. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. This is an adapted version of my original fruitcake recipe. I'm going to start with creaming room temperature butter. This is 114 grams of butter, which is at room temperature. This is approximately 1 stick or 4 ounces. Next, I'm going to add 125 grams of sugar. Brown sugar gives your cake a darker color. Beat this well together. Next, I'm going to add 4 room temperature eggs. I will be adding the eggs in one at a time, beating between additions. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fig jam. If you can't find fig jam, you can use any other kind of jam. Now, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of molasses. If you can find blackstrap molasses, it will give your cake a really dark color. But if you can't find blackstrap molasses, just regular molasses will do. I'm now going to add in 1 teaspoon of orange zest. I've cut the zest really fine so it's easy to fit into the cake pop cavity. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This ingredient is not in my original fruitcake recipe. Fruitcake is typically dense and does not need to rise much, but to fill these cake pop cavities, I do need my cake batter to be lighter so it has room to rise when it's baked. Next, I'm going to add 125 grams of pre-sifted all-purpose flour. Fold this in a little bit at a time. I'm going to add 50 grams of chopped nuts and 100 grams of mixed peel. This fruit has not been soaked. This is alcohol-free. My original recipe calls for 250 grams of mixed peel and 100 grams of nuts, plus additional red and green cherries, but I'm trying to keep the batter lighter so it can rise easily. I'm now going to scoop this into my well-buttered cake pop mold. I'm going to place the lid on and seal it using the silicone clamps that came with the kit. You can use any cake pop pan you can find. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. You should see the cake rising through the holes at the top. Once done, remove it and allow it to cool. These are now nice and cool, so I'm going to remove them. Now for the decorations. I made some simple marzipan decorations using my microwave marzipan recipe. I will leave that link at the end of this video and in the description. I also have some white melted chocolate here. Spoon some of the chocolate over the cake balls. And I'm going to fasten the holly and the berries. Of course, if your chocolate sets too fast, just dip the decorations into the white chocolate to fasten. If you'd like to make a cake pop, simply dip the edge of your pop stick in the melted chocolate and gently insert it into the cake ball. These are gorgeous to serve at your dessert table, and they also make wonderful holiday gifts. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings to Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for my fruitcake bombs or pops. This is an adapted recipe from my regular fruitcake recipe, but it is made in a compact format that you can serve to your family and friends. You can also make these as gifts. They're great to make for your co-workers or your neighbors. If you love this recipe, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my recipes, what are you waiting for? Share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And just for fun, be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care, happy eating, and happy holidays. Bye.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.